Hey, adventure lovers and fresh air addicts, welcome back to channel. Today, we're checking out 10 of the most stunning, bucket list worthy camping spots around the world. Number 1, Skane, Sweden. Sweden's right to roam law lets you camp just about anywhere in nature. But Skane, with its coastlines, forests, and peaceful lakes, is one of the most beautiful spots to pitch a tent and just breathe. Number 2, Sahale Glacier Camp, Washington, USA. High up in North Cascades National Park, this one's for the brave. It's a bit of a climb, but you'll get 360-degree mountain views, and maybe a mountain goat or two as neighbors. Number 3, Mount Cook National Park, New Zealand. Camp beneath snow-capped mountains and wake up with views that look straight out of a fantasy movie. Bonus points if you catch the Milky Way above. Number 4, Jasper National Park, Canada. Massive mountains, crystal clear lakes, and a sky so dark at night you can see every star. Jasper's also a dark sky preserve, so stargazing is insane. Number 5, Torres del Paine, Chile. Patagonia's pride and joy. Glaciers, jagged peaks, turquoise lakes, this place is magic. Definitely for more experienced campers, but worth every step. These are some of the most epic camping spots in the world. So tell me, where are you pitching your tent first? Don't forget to like, share this video and subscribe for more.